Hey guys, welcome back to the Noob Corner with me, Tyler, and this is CrazyAwesomeSauce.com. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a network cable using standard Cat5 RJ45 connectors. So it's pretty simple, but there's a lot of instructions you need to follow. So I'll show you what we'll need today. You'll need some RJ45 connectors, a crimp tool, wire cutters, and standard Cat5 cable, and scissors is what I like to use. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to take Cat5, taking the wire cutters, and I would say you want to go about 2 inches to cut into, but that's not, it's just a rough estimate. So you're going to gently cut into these to get the plastic, the rubber coating off. So you can work it off, and there you have the colored wires. So for the scissors, you're going to take this threading, kind of just get that out of there. Okay, so now you want to separate the wires, get them untwisted. Get them all undone there. Okay. So now you've got all your colors kind of threaded out like that. So now, what I would do is get them, take your finger and just run it across to get them a little straightened out as you separate them. So there is a color coordination that you want to match on both ends to get the network cable to work. So the sequence I like to follow, which is basic, is orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. So you got them, and then you're going to bring them closer. You want to get them all running along each other in that coordination. So again, that's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, and brown, white, brown. So after you've got them separated in that coordination, I'm going to get them in the right position and kind of straighten them out really nice so they stay. So, as you can see, got orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, and brown, white, and brown. So after you've got them stretched out like that, you're going to take take your thumb, and you're going to want to do about that kind of length to there, and you're going to cut that. Make sure you get a nice straight cut. And make sure they're still lined up. So you take the RJ45 connector, looks like this, with it facing down, the gold pin stick facing up. You're going to slide in. And as you slide in, make sure they stay in their color coordination as orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, and brown, white, brown. So you're going to slide them up in there. Push them in nice and tight. And that's where you take the crimp tool looks kind of like that, so it looks like a connector there. Slide it in, give it a nice firm couple of crimps, and there you have it. So to get the Ethernet network cable to work, you need to match both ends with that coordination. There's different coordinations that you can use, but no matter what you use, you need to make sure both ends match. So that is how you make a standard Cat5 network cable using RJ45 connectors. So, thanks for joining me, Tyler, and this is CrazyAwesomeSauce.com with the Noob Corner.